Quick question. Can you answer this in English right now? What did you do yesterday? What are you doing today? And what will you do tomorrow?
Simple questions, right? But honestly, when someone asks you that in English, does your brain just freeze?
Like you know the answer. You lived yesterday. You're living today. But the words? Gone.
Completely gone.
Well, not anymore, because today we are fixing that forever.
Staying with us. This one is going to change how you speak English every single day. Hello, everyone, and welcome back. I'm Kate.
And I'm Martin, and oh my goodness, day 23. We are on day 23 of the 30-day English speaking challenge.
Day 23, Martin. 23. I still can't believe it.
We started this together and we are almost at the finish line. Almost.
Almost. And the people who are still here, still showing up every single day, you are incredible. Seriously.
Seriously incredible. We see you. We appreciate you.
We really do. Okay, Martin, before we start, how are you doing today? And please, no, I'm fine. We talked about that yesterday.
Right. Day 22 lesson. Okay, honestly, I'm feeling good today. A little tired, but good. I only had one coffee this morning.
One, that's personal growth, Martin. I'm proud of you.
Thank you. It was very difficult. I stared at the coffee machine for a long time.
You stood there and you said, not today.
Not today. I was strong. What about you, Kate? How are you?
I'm actually really good. I went for a walk this morning before we started recording, and I feel so fresh, so awake.
Oh, see, that's your superpower. Morning walks. I could never.
You could. You just choose coffee instead.
I choose coffee instead. Every time, no regrets.
Okay, everyone. Today's topic is so practical, so useful for daily life.
We're talking about past, present, and future. How to talk about what happened, what's happening right now, and what's coming next.
In simple, natural spoken English, no complicated rules, no textbook stuff.
Just real conversation, like what you hear every day.
And if this is your first time here, welcome. We are so happy you found us. Please hit that subscribe button because we post every single day during this challenge.
Every day. And like this video if you're enjoying it. It genuinely helps more people find us.
It really does. Okay, let's get into it.
All right, Kate, let's start with the past. Yesterday, last week. Things that already happened.
Okay, yes. So the most common thing people say about the past is I went, I had, I saw, I did.
Simple past. Super useful. You use it literally every single day.
Every day. Like this morning, I woke up at 7. I made breakfast. I walked outside.
See how natural that sounds? Short sentences, simple words, just facts about what happened.
And a lot of English learners, they worry so much about getting the past tense perfect. Like, did I say it right? Is the verb correct?
And then they say nothing at all because they're scared of making a mistake.
Which is the worst thing you can do. Silence is the real mistake.
Preach, Kate, preach.
Because even if you say, I go to the shop yesterday, instead of I went, guess what?
Everyone still understands you.
Everyone understands you. Communication happened. That is a win.
100% a win. Now, Kate, tell me about your yesterday, like a real person. Just talk.
Okay, so yesterday I woke up kind of late, maybe 8:30.
Ooh, sleeping in, nice.
It was lovely. Then I made coffee. Yes, Martin, I also drink coffee. Don't look so surprised.
I wasn't going to say anything.
You were absolutely going to say something. Okay, so I made coffee, I sat by the window, and I just read for about an hour.
That sounds amazing.
It was so peaceful. Then I had a call with my sister in the afternoon, and in the evening I cooked pasta and watched a show.
Perfect. And listeners, did you notice? Every single sentence was past tense. I woke up, I made, I sat, I read, I had, I cooked, I watched.
All past, all simple, all totally normal sentences.
You can do exactly this. Talk about your yesterday. Right now, pause this video if you want and just say 5 sentences about yesterday, out loud.
Out loud, not in your head. Your mouth needs the practice, not just your brain.
Your brain already knows. Your mouth needs the workout.
Your mouth needs the workout. That should be our channel tagline.
I'm putting that on a t-shirt.
Okay, present. What's happening now? What are you doing today?
This one is interesting because there are 2 ways. I work from home. That's your general present. Things that are always true.
Like, I live in the city, I work in a school, I drink too much coffee.
That one is always true for me, yes.
Always present tense. It's your normal life.
And then you have the right now present. I am recording a podcast. I am talking to Kate. I am drinking water.
The ing one, the right this second one.
And people mix these up sometimes, but honestly, in real conversation, people understand either way.
Context is everything. If someone asks, "What are you doing right now?" and you say, "I work on a podcast," they still get it.
They get it completely. So don't freeze, just answer.
Just answer. Okay, Martin, present tense. What is your life like right now? General present.
Okay, so I work from home. I record podcasts. I love cooking, but I don't cook enough. I go to the gym twice a week. I live with my cat, Biscuit.
Wait, your cat's name is Biscuit?
His name is Biscuit, yes.
That is the most adorable thing I have ever heard in my life.
He's a very round cat. He looks like a biscuit. It made sense.
He looks like a biscuit. Oh my gosh, does Biscuit know he's named after food?
He does not know, and I will never tell him.
Okay, I love Biscuit already. Can Biscuit be on the podcast?
He would just sleep on the microphone.
Honestly, same. Okay, listeners, did you catch Martin's present tense sentences? I work, I record, I love, I go, I live, all present tense, all simple, all real.
Your turn. Think about your life right now. 5 sentences. I work at, I live in, I study, I like.
Think about it, say it out loud, or write it in the comments. We would love to read about your life right now.
Seriously, tell us about yourself. We want to know.
Okay, future. This is the fun one.
Future is exciting because you're talking about things that haven't happened yet. Plans, dreams, hopes.
And there are a few easy ways to talk about the future in English. The most common one, I'm going to.
I'm going to visit my family next month. I'm going to cook dinner tonight. I'm going to finish this challenge.
So easy, so natural. Native speakers use going to all the time.
All the time. And then you have I will, which is a little more certain, more decided.
Like, I will call you tomorrow. I will finish this. It sounds more like a promise.
A commitment.
And then the casual one, just use present tense with a time word. I'm meeting my friend tomorrow. I'm starting a new job next week.
That one sounds very natural too. Very spoken English.
Very real. Okay, Martin, what are your plans? Future tense. Go.
Okay, so this weekend, I'm going to relax. Fully relax. No plans.
Love that.
I'm going to sleep in. I'm going to make a big breakfast. I might watch some movies.
I might. Ooh, good one. Might means maybe.
Maybe I will do this. Not sure yet. I might call my parents. I might go for a walk. Possible future.
Very useful word, might. Write that one down, listeners.
And after this challenge, after day 30, I am going to celebrate.
Oh, we are both going to celebrate. What are you going to do?
I'm going to order the biggest pizza I can find and eat it with Biscuit.
Does Biscuit eat pizza?
Biscuit eats everything. He is a round cat for a reason.
Does Biscuit eat pizza?
Biscuit eats everything. He is a round cat for a reason.
Does Biscuit eat pizza?
Biscuit eats everything. He is a round cat for a reason.
Oh my gosh, Biscuit is living his best life.
He really is. What about you, Kate? Future plans?
So after day 30, I am going to sleep for approximately 1,000 hours.
1,000 hours.
Is that too many? That might be too many.
That might be too many, yes.
Okay, maybe just 2 days. I'm going to sleep for 2 days, and then I'm going to go somewhere nice. Maybe the coast. I love being near the water.
Oh, that sounds beautiful.
I need it after this month. But genuinely, I'm also going to keep making content because I love this. I love talking to our listeners.
Same. This has been one of the best projects I've ever done, honestly.
Me too. And it's because of the people watching. You make it worth it.
Okay, Kate, let's do something fun. A 2-minute English challenge right now.
Oh, yes. This is the 2-minute English section of today's episode.
Here's the challenge. I'm going to ask you 3 questions. One about the past, one about the present, one about the future. And you just answer naturally. No overthinking.
Okay, I'm ready. Hit me.
Question 1. Past. What was the best meal you had last week?
Ooh, okay. Last week I had the most amazing soup. Tomato soup with bread. It was so simple but so good. I made it myself and I was very proud.
You made it yourself?
I did. I followed a recipe on my phone and it actually worked. I was shocked.
You were shocked that your own cooking was good?
I have a complicated history with cooking, Martin. We don't need to go into it.
We will go into it another day. Okay, question 2. Present. What is something you are doing this week to take care of yourself?
This week I am going to bed before 11 every night. That is my rule. Phone down, lights off, sleep.
That's a great rule.
I feel so much better when I do it. Sleep is everything.
Sleep is everything. Okay, last one. Future. What is one thing you are excited about in the next month?
Oh, next month my cousin is visiting me. She lives far away and I haven't seen her in almost a year. I am so excited.
Oh, that's lovely.
I'm going to take her everywhere, all my favorite places. I can't wait.
Perfect. Past, present, future. All in under 2 minutes. And all totally natural.
And listeners, I want you to try this right now. Seriously, pause this video, ask yourself those same 3 questions, answer them out loud.
What was the best meal you had recently? What are you doing to take care of yourself this week? And what are you excited about in the next month?
3 questions, 3 answers. Past, present, future. Done.
That is your 2-minute English practice for today. Simple, powerful, real.
Okay, comment question time. And today's question is really fun.
Tell us, in the comments, what are you going to do this weekend? Future tense.
Just 1 or 2 sentences. This weekend, I'm going to fill in the blank.
It can be exciting or totally boring. We love both.
We actually love the boring ones more. This weekend, I'm going to do laundry and watch TV. That is valid. That is life.
That is real life, and it's perfect English practice.
So write it down there. We read everything.
Everything, even the laundry ones.
All right, quick vocabulary round before we finish. Martin, you ready?
Born ready.
I went to the shop.
Past, something that already happened.
I am working right now.
Present, happening at this moment.
I'm going to call my friend tonight.
Future plan, something coming soon.
I might go out later.
Maybe future, not sure yet.
I work in a school.
General present, always true about your life.
Excellent. You're a natural, Martin.
I've been practicing.
With Biscuit?
Biscuit is an excellent conversation partner. Very good listener.
I bet he is.
Okay, big picture moment before we close. Why does this matter? Past, present, future. Why is this so important?
Because this is literally every conversation. Every single one.
Think about it. You meet someone new. What do they ask? Where did you grow up? Past. What do you do? Present. What are your plans? Future.
A job interview. Same thing. Tell me about your experience. Past. What are you doing now? Present. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Future.
Catching up with a friend. What did you do last week? Past. How are things? Present. What are you up to this weekend? Future.
It's everywhere. You cannot avoid it. And now you can actually answer it.
You have the tools. Simple sentences. Real words. Natural answers.
And perfection is not the goal. Connection is the goal.
Say it louder, Kate.
Connection is the goal. When you speak English, you are trying to connect with another human being. That's it. That's the whole thing.
And humans are patient. Humans are kind. They want to understand you.
They do. So speak, even imperfectly, especially imperfectly.
Imperfect speaking is still speaking, and speaking is everything.
Martin, day 23 is done. How do you feel?
I feel great. I feel like we just had the best conversation.
We really did. And honestly, every day I think, how can we top yesterday? And then somehow we do.
It's because the topics keep getting better, and the listeners keep showing up.
You keep showing up. Day 23, you are here. That means something.
It means a lot. 7 more days. 7 days, and we finish this challenge together.
Together. All of us.
All right, everyone. That is it for day 23 of the 30-day English Speaking Challenge.
Thank you so much for watching. If this helped you today, please give it a thumbs up. It takes 1 second and it helps us reach more learners.
And subscribe if you haven't already. We are here every single day until day 30.
Share this with one person who is learning English. One person. That is all.
And we will see you tomorrow for day 24. Something special is coming.
Very special. You do not want to miss it.
Take care of yourselves, rest, practice your English.
And remember, past, present, or future, you've got this. Bye, everyone. Bye. See you tomorrow.